In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change order of songs in Apple Music playlist. Go ahead and launch Apple Music on your device. On a Mac, you will usually find it in the dock, or you can open it from the Applications folder. When it opens, you should see the main Apple Music window, with a sidebar on the left and your content in the middle. Give it a moment if your library is large, because older machines can take a few seconds to load all playlists. Once Apple Music is open, look at the sidebar on the left and click your playlist. Your playlists appear under the section labeled Playlists, and the one you choose will highlight when selected. After you click it, the main area on the right switches to show the songs inside that playlist. You will see columns like Title, Artist, and Album, along with the current order of songs. If the playlist is long, you can scroll to confirm that everything you expect is there. Now move to the top of your screen and click View in the menu bar. This is the system menu along the very top edge of the display on a Mac, not the buttons inside the Apple Music window. When you click View, a drop-down menu appears with several options related to how your music is displayed. If you do not see View, make sure the Apple Music window is active, because the menu bar changes based on the active app. Next, in that View menu, hover your mouse over Sort By. Do not click yet, just rest the pointer on Sort By and wait a moment. A second menu extends to the side, listing the different ways Apple Music can arrange the songs in your playlist. Typical options here include playlist order, title, artist, album, and date added. If this side menu does not appear, move the mouse slightly to keep it within the View menu area. From that Sort By submenu, choose your preferred order, for example, Date Added. Clicking Date Added will immediately reorder the songs in the playlist based on when you added them. You will see the list reshuffle right away without any save button. Sorting by date added is useful if you want to hear your newest songs first or last. If you select playlist order here, Apple Music switches to the manual order that you can arrange yourself. That option is what you need when you want complete control. With playlist order active, drag songs to custom spots under playlist order. Click and hold on a song by its row, then move it up or down until the thin insertion line shows the new position. Release the mouse button to drop it there, and you will see the playlist update instantly. You can drag several songs one after another to build a specific flow, like a workout or study sequence. A handy detail is that this custom order stays attached to this playlist only, so other playlists are not affected. You have now changed the order of songs in your Apple Music playlist using both sort options and manual dragging. If this helped you shape your playlist the way you like, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Apple Music tips.